Hi, welcome to A Tip Our Life. My name is Adele, and today I'm trying out the nail wrap trend using these gold foil nail stickers that I found. Is this trend worth your money? Find out at the end. Start by wiping down your bare nails with some alcohol to remove any trace of oils. You want the sticker to be able to really adhere to the nail bed. Push back your cuticles with an orange stick like the one I'm using if you need to. Size your nails and choose the correct size nail wrap or nail sticker for your nails. Remove the sticker and carefully place onto your nail. Press it down firmly on all sides. File out the excess with a nail file. These nail wraps are designed to easily tear off when you file them down. As you can see here, I'm struggling a little with this part. The sticker just wasn't sticky enough, and even though I got off the excess, it didn't leave a smooth finish. Repeat the process. Carefully peeling the correct size for each nail, sticking it down, and filing off the excess. Maybe I was using the wrong brand, or maybe nail wraps just aren't it. The wraps weren't sticky enough and I just couldn't get a smooth finish no matter what nail file I tried. I even ripped the nail wrap a few times. They may be a good solution for a last-minute manicure, but don't expect anything more from them. What a mess. It's a no from me. This is a trend that I will not jump on. Have you tried nail wraps before? What did you think? Comment below. See you in my next video.